Welcome to another Wall Street Informer production on WSI TV.
Welcome back into WSI TV. As always, I'm Sean Bauer, Chief Editor of Wall Street Informer on wallstreetinformer.com. Now today I'm really excited that you're here with me because I'm going to talk about a trick that could triple your money on gold. Now, virtually everybody from the average investor to the billion-dollar fund manager has been going crazy about gold this year, and for good reason. The precious metal has done nothing but climb all year long. But with gold being such a lock, I don't just want to talk about buying and selling gold. I want to talk about how to maximize your profits and, like I said, be able to even triple your money on it. Now, that all starts with how to obtain gold, how to get your hands on it. For the purposes of this conversation, there are really two main ways to get your hands on gold. The first being through physical gold. So you can buy gold by the ounce for roughly $1,350 per ounce. Now that doesn't give you as much leverage as our second option, which is investing in gold through exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Now let's show you a couple really quick here. Now there are many more ETFs to choose from, but the two I want to focus on right now would be the SPDR Gold Shares ETF, which basically reflects the price of physical gold, and the ticker for that is GLD. And then the other ETF I want to talk about is the VanEck Vectors Gold Miners ETF. And that goes by the ticker GDX. And what that ETF does is basically replicates the price and performance of the ARCA Gold Miners Index. Now, the first reason I'm showing you these two ETFs is because an exchange-traded fund like these trades like a regular stock. So just like buying 100 shares in Apple stock, you can buy 100 shares in one of these gold ETFs, and that way you're investing in gold and gaining much more leverage and probably even doing it in a safer way. But please don't let the word safer fool you into thinking that these are overly conservative investments. They're absolutely not. Students of our premium recommendation services on Wall Street Informer, including myself, have all actually made double-digit profits on both of these ETFs. But I don't want you to just squeak out 10 or 20% gains like those have done for us. I want to show you how you can make triple that and turn into real life-changing money. And that all starts by triple leveraging these ETFs. Now, if you take a look at this table, you can see that we're comparing two ETFs. Now, the first one is that gold ETF that we just talked about. And as you can see, based on the June 1st price of $116 per share versus the current price of $128.50 per share, it's gone up 11% just since the beginning of June. Now, those are nice, solid profits, right? Well, not if you look at the UGLD ETF, and I'll explain that in a moment. But as you can see, just since June 1st, which is the same time period, it's gone up 33%. That's triple what the gold ETF did. And that's exactly where our trick to tripling your money on gold lies. UGLD is what we call a triple leveraged ETF on that GLD ETF. So exactly 3 times the amount, whether it goes up or down. But as you can tell, for something like gold that's turned out to be a complete slam dunk, UGLD is just tripling your money on what you already would have gotten through the gold ETF. Now let's look at one more, even bigger one. Here you can see we're doing the same exact thing. The first ETF is GDX, which is one of the first two ETFs we talked about. That's actually gone up nearly 40% since June 1st. That's a massive win and a great gain for anyone that anyone would enjoy. But now whenever you look at Nugget, NUGT is the triple leveraged ETF on GDX. And as you can see, that's gone up 130% just since June. So as you can see from the two charts I just showed you, understanding which ETFs are triple leveraged is the exact trick to tripling your money on something like gold that's been skyrocketing all year long. But of course, that's only half the battle, with the other half, as always, being the timing of the trade. Now that's forever going to be the most important part of any trade you ever make. And that's why we dedicate the Codebreaker course over at wallstreetinformer.com to helping you get the timing perfect on every single trade you make. So I highly encourage you to go over to wallstreetinformer.com to check that out. But as always, I want to thank you for joining me for this episode of WSI TV. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube to our channel, WSI TV, and give us a thumbs up like. Thank you again, and I'll speak to you next time.
Thanks for for watching another Wall Street Informer production on WSI TV. Be sure to visit wallstreetinformer.com, where you can become a member for free and gain instant access to the secrets of market millionaires via the Wall Street Informer Vault. So go ahead and claim this gift for free now at wallstreetinformer.com.